For this video, I will be showing you how to calculate the change in mass of your Cheerios. Over here on the left-hand side, I've created a table with my raw data of the experiment. Over on the right-hand side, I've created another table showing my process data. Right here, I have the category change in mass, and underneath, I have the equation that you have in your handout. So I'm going to go ahead and tell Google Sheets that I want to calculate the change in mass. In order to do that, I can click on the cell where I want my final answer for change in mass. I'm going to tell Google Sheets to make this an equation, and so I'll say equals. Then I'll press the button for the final mass. The final mass that I got in trial 1 for my Cheerios was 21.9 grams. And instead of typing in 21.9 grams, I'm going to go ahead and click on the cell that contains the number. That's number C4. You can see it highlighted right here on the top corner. I'm going to tell it that the final mass needs to be subtracted by the initial mass. So I'm going to go ahead and hit a subtraction sign and then click on the initial mass. And so that takes that highlighted number in purple, so I can see that the change in mass is equal to the final mass minus initial mass of trial 1. Once that's all entered, I can go ahead and press enter, and there it is. 21.9 subtracted by 22.8 gives me a change in mass of negative 0.9 grams. I'm sorry, it's a change in mass of 0.9 grams, and that negative just denotes that we lost mass in our first trial. I can do the same thing and repeat the process for trials 2 and 3, and all I have to do is click on this Google Sheets. There's this small square at the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and hold it down and drag through the next 2 cells, and there I go. That's how we calculate the change in mass for any of my trials.